Hi. So, welcome to yet another episode of our masterclass for LinkedIn. And in the last couple of weeks, what we have been focusing is how we can use different tools, tips, hacks to crack those interviews, how to crack your job. And do you know how AI can actually leverage your job search journey? So I have for last couple of weeks, I have come across many such AI tools. These are amazing AI tools, right? From getting a co-pilot to write your resume, to getting form fills, to creating different personalized resumes, to cover letters, everything. Now this particular session I'll be covering four such tools. These are just amazing tools, and I think that if you start using this can actually leverage how you are doing a job search. So according to me, with the rise of AI, with the rise of ChatGPT, what has actually happened is you have started. So earlier we used to create a resume. You might design a resume once and for all, or you might get it designed from a HR person. But with AI, you can literally give the designation that you're looking for, the job profile, the skills, and everything, and it will create a resume that gets s- noticed by ATS. So ATS is a tool which most of the recruiters use it to search based on the keywords, the resumes, and everything. What happens is with ATS, the way you create a resume, or sometimes you upload a resume in PDF, it doesn't get selected. So ATS has it works on a specific models, and in those particular models, your the profile, your resume needs to have those keywords. Your resume needs to have those particular skills, and this is how it notices or selects your resume and pushes it for the telephonic round of interview. To create this resume, you need to use these AI tools. You can literally go for an interview carrying a resume that you have created, but you really don't know how a software works or how a software selects a resume. AI is a software, and it knows how a software works or how a software selects the resume, and hence it creates you personalized resumes and multiple times. Like if you are applying say for 50 jobs at 50 different designations, 50 different sectors, AI can actually help you to create different resumes. And imagine sending personalized cover letters with resumes to for all particular job open positions. You can exactly leverage, and this is what I want to share. You can This is what will help you to generate 20 interview calls within 30 days. Forget waiting for 60 days. And if you get 20 interview calls, I guarantee you can actually get at least 3 to 4 open positions where you can close, and you can literally have those open offers from 3 to 4 different companies, and you can select and you can negotiate where you want to join it. So without waiting, let me take you through this tool. Now this particular tool, resume worded, what happens is resume worded is an interesting tool. I have logged into the tool, upgrade to pro, so I haven't bought the pro version. Now what it gives us is, so welcome back to toolkit. So overall resume score, target resume score, and LinkedIn profile score. Now what I believe is your LinkedIn profile needs to have those particular set of keywords. So what happens in the LinkedIn profile, the LinkedIn profile, we need to upload the LinkedIn profile. And once our LinkedIn profile is uploaded, open. So how do you upload your LinkedIn profile? Once you go on LinkedIn, uh, you need to click on your profile and hear more. And you say save to PDF. Once you say save to PDF, you'll get your profile. So now coming to our tool, so resume budget has scored as 91. It says work experience, I need to fix it. Summary, I need to fix it. So what I need to fix, your summary can be improved significantly. Your summary is critical for your job. So in my summary, actually, I'm looking for a position which is chief marketing officer. So how it works, resume budget, how it works is you need to upload the designation and the JD. So once you upload a job description, it will scan the job description and will try to map the job description with your existing LinkedIn profile, with your existing resume, and it will help you to create a resume. So it tells me needs review. Can we improve checks? So summary length, call to action, readiness. So these are paid versions, but you can actually so experience what is missing. So needs review. Headline, it looks perfect. Your overall score is 61. Education, it says good 8. Other keywords to add, it will suggest me keywords based on the JD. Overview review. What I like about this particular tool is this particular aspect. So you can upload any sort of job descriptions, and as you enter the job description, it will scan the job description. You need to upload 3 to 4, around 3 job descriptions. Once you upload 3 job descriptions, it will scan those job descriptions, and then it will scan your resume, and based on this scan it will give you a score. Isn't it really interesting? And as you explore this tool, it gets more and more interesting. So cover letter generator, you can generate a cover letter. So start it for free. So you enter the job title, what is the name of the company. But I still think that cover letter pilot is the tool that I shared in the last masterclass. I'll share the link. But if you recollect, that gives you prompt and better cover letters. It is AI generated. So what happens is, for every designation you keep on improvising the cover letter. Now let's go back and see overall resume score. So I have to upload my resume. Now let me upload my resume over here. Frankly, I don't recollect. This is my resume. Let me upload it. Loading your resume, passing your resume, identifying code section, identifying your work experience, identify other experiences, evaluating resume length, identifying bullet points, analyzing resume depth, evaluating impact, analyzing writing style, identifying weak verbs, identifying fillers, generating suggested lines. I hope this is free. I haven't tried this tool. I am trying this part for the first time. So this is pretty awesome. Your resume score is 30 out of 100. It seems your resume score poorly on key checks. So my resume score is over here at 30, and I need to be over here. So what to do? Quantify impact, repetition, total bullet points is high, buzzwords not there, and I can use line by line analysis. So impact. So quantify, add more numbers and metrics. There's a lot of numbers and metrics that are missing. Repetition. You should avoid repeating action verbs in your resume. So if I say fix it, so show your line. So see, here are relevant lines from your resume. Magic write. Think magic write. Okay. Close this window. Let's see what it does. Generate suggestions. So direct client projects income website. Oh, this is amazing, don't you think? Now, what more you want actually? Like, you have a resume, and based on job description, you keep on improvising the resume. So you can tomorrow think about applying to multiple locations and multiple job fields. Think about applying to multiple job fields, multiple locations, or say multiple industries, and for each place there's a difference. There's a 20% difference in the job description. For all those 20% job differences in the JD, why you want to suffer of not getting accepted? This tool is the right tool that you can exactly use it. So let's explore other things. So weak works. Now this is also a paid feature. Then let's see resume length. Okay, fix it. It says your resume word count is 1212 words. This is just over the average word count for resumes. So it says my resume here. I need my word count should be over here somewhere. Resume. So 850 is the maximum word count. Use of bullets, so deep understanding. So we identified one paragraph in your resume, and reliability we suggest converting paragraphs into bullet points. So this is a big paragraph. It has suggested to convert into so sections. It says experience section, education section, and experience is the first. Summary, skills, recruiter insights. So what section should you include in your resume? Why? Show the answer. Now, your resume is a concise overview of your achievements and sections to decide work experience first, then education, then contact information. Should I include X section on my resume? How do I decide? It says many can often ask whether or would I include specific. Oh my gosh! Now It gets so here are some hard keywords, hard skills or keywords we found in your resume. Show full list. So these are the keywords that it found. If we detected words that are not hard skills, this just gives an idea of what was found on your resume. Your resume score is not based on this. Just make sure that list contains some of the key skills. Okay. There is sample village action verbs. Now don't and this is so I get pro. I can use to upgrade to pro. And then analysis, I can get magic right freestyle mode, generate suggestion samples from top resume. So I can get sample of similar resume which are top resume and I can get a replicator. So imagine the tool knows these are the top working resumes. Okay, this is the JD mapping my resume to this resume, which helps me to get access over here. Don't you think this is amazing? And it really helps you to crack your for crack that first round of telephonic interview. With this particular tool, Resume Worded, you can exactly use it to crack those particular interview sessions. Now let's move to the second tool. Now the second tool that I have come across is Career Flow, and it helps you. It's a job search copilot. Let's register India budget. So this okay, and 90 September 28. Now you know my birthday. You can call me actually to wish on my birthday. Wait. We have made a mistake. Lives in India. So India is there, and then we go to active job seeker, passive job seeker, not currently. So we'll we'll select active job. What challenge are you facing in your journey? So writing more tailoring, optimizing LinkedIn, cover letter, not getting interview calls, skill development, filling out, dealing. So continue. How did you hear about us? So Google search. Uh, let's mention friend. So free, let's see free version, what it gives you, explore features. So the feature is AI resume builder, and then LinkedIn optimization. You have cover letter, post generator, who's hiring, job tracker, autofill, headline generators, matching, skill matching, documentation, contract tracking, summarize job. Oh my god, there are many skills. Let's first try to see optimize resume. No resume set, create a resume. So upload resume. So let's upload a resume. Let's see what it gives us. Continue. Hmm, I hope it is analyzing. Okay, career flow, no frills template. Okay, let's see. Let's select career flow. Target job title. CHIG marketing officer. Job description. Let's search for job description for chief marketing officer. Hmm, so CHIG marketing officer. Head of marketing institution segment, leading technology. Okay, let's select this. So this is the role. And continue. I understand. Let's see. Now again, this tool also it wants the job description. Once it scans the job description, then it will scan my resume and it will point out what I need to improvise. The world is actually going for a with AI. I think the job search journey is going for a totally next level. Okay, next. Okay, this is the line preview. Next, the score is Mr. Password resume. Okay, view guidance. Next, 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 next. Okay, completely good. So it says resume analysis 45% aim for higher score for an optimized resume. So my resume is not optimized for chief marketing officer position. Skill score is only 28%. And it will now guide me, okay, extras, web social links and LinkedIn. So profile summaries, work experience, view guidance. So it says your work experience is a crucial part because okay, I understand it is crucial part. But what are the improvisations? So okay, it has added, it has segregated everything. That's not an issue. But let's see, cover letter, professional. Okay, generate. Career plan. Okay, they say it's 200. 200 is pretty awesome weekly. I can actually try it, and there are multiple things that they offer me. We'll create a special video only for career flow for the paid version. I think 200 is pretty. View details. Okay, they say that okay, B2B resume JD two times, reporting to it says one time, events three one time, campaigns, digital marketing eight times and one time in JD, marketing, okay, business development. So partial matches, marketing strategy, resume JD four times. Okay, missing keywords, partnerships, demand generation, marketing analytics, executive team, CMO, business units, organization, conceptual thinking, marketing. Customized initiatives recall logos, AWS, Azure, return on investment, brand positioning, differentiation, brand quality, pack, articulate. So all these keywords are missing in my. So it says strong match 15, partial match 1, missing 41. This means this is the reason why my skill score is less. So now I need to create a resume for this particular thing. So pretty good tool in terms of if you want to create a perfect resume to match the job description. Now this is where we have okay next, okay, add a job. So I say that my dream job is this. That's amazing, man. So add a job, skip. So what I do is I'll add a job, okay, company, the description, the link and everything. What happens is okay, save. These are the save jobs, these are the apply jobs, these are interviewing, these are offer, and these are rejected. So I exactly know how many places I'm applying for job and how my journey is going for job search. Resume builder, we have tried contacts. So what happens is contact, create a contact, first name, email, networking goal. So LinkedIn. So this I guess is good for people who want to network and meet people because if I start networking with recruiters, it helps me to get the job easily. I guess this is what the whole thought process would be for the contacts part. Now coming to our documents. So chief, so all the documents that I've uploaded, my resume, my JD, it is over here. Then comes LinkedIn. LinkedIn profile is not linked to it. Here is how you can link. Okay, so I need to download the extension. So let's see what happens. Okay, add to Chrome. Now that we have added this, okay, see it works like a co-pilot now. So optimize resume. No, let's first. um, so it says okay, okay, career flow. Open LinkedIn profile. So we have opened the LinkedIn profile. Now let's see what happens. Okay, optimize profile. Sign in. So I'm using the extension to sign into Career Flow. And once I use the extension, I hope now it will get the LinkedIn profile. Okay, we need to connect to Discord. Yes, accept. This is optimize now. So we are planning a feature called feature profile. It's too much clutter. It's not so simple. I don't know why they have created such a clutter. Mm, career flow, open sidebar. Okay, now next. Okay, let's optimize. Start optimization. Okay, next. Okay, okay. It's actually they're giving me an overlay step-by-step process, and based on this process, what happens is they will direct me. You do this, you do that, and everything. So next, see, it will give me okay, add to open. Then it says do this change, then do this change. It just gives an overlay, and I can start editing it. It's not to that extent. I don't know why I should upgrade to premium because it is any which ways a bit irritating. I'll say that okay, remove from Chrome. I don't want this. So for all of you who are looking to use your, and if you want LinkedIn, then I don't suggest you using this particular application because it doesn't give you good user experience. But when it comes to say so community, and then we have find recruiters. So searching for hiring managers and recruiters. Are you looking for recruiters managers? Okay, extra search. So I say company skills, find out who's hiring, login. So I think this is another company, and over here I can find recruiters who are looking out for that particular positions. I can save the query to my dashboard. So overall, this is a pretty good tool. At 200 bucks per week, I think this is really amazing. If you can create personalized jobs, personalized resume, which can give you better score with ATS, it will help you to go to the next level for telephonic round of interview or maybe a personal round of interview. Another feature is the cover letter that you get at upgrade. But cover letter, I don't know whether how it is unless we test it out, and it doesn't allow me to test it. So for resume, bang on. Now let us go to our next tool. Okay, Discord, career flow, loop CV. So let's go to loop CV. Now loop CV is another interesting tool that I came across a couple of days back. What happens is in loop CV, it actually works like a marketing automation application. Therefore, a lot of people who are into marketing, they would be aware the concept called marketing automation. And in marketing automation, you can set up different cycles where it keeps on connecting with the recruiters. So let me show you this particular application. So my loops, so I create say overview and a new loop. So automate your job search. Now what happens? I say job title, CH, Chief Marketing. So Chief Marketing Officer, I say Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai, India. Search. Okay, experience. Say the full time. So upload your CV. Yes, I say upload CV. Let me upload CV. Hmm. Then it says. Huh. This is the email template. So email template name problem solver job. So there are different popular templates. So forward thinking, say I select this, the forward thinking application for job title. I hope this message find it's ready to use template actually. So you can use this cover letters. It is for casual inquiry. Hope so on LinkedIn, for example, if you go on LinkedIn and if you go on the job section, say for example, I go on this job section. I want to see who is the hiring person. It doesn't mention. Let me check over here. Who is the hiring? I can see over here. Digital marketing is Alembic. Then head of marketing for engineering company, Pradnya Bandhari. Okay, now I want to send somebody, so I want to send a message to Pratya. The best part is I use this. This is the message. Hello, Pratnya. Hope you're having a good day. I came across such and such title with your company and wanted to reach out for a quick question. Could you share a bit more about the day-to-day responsibilities for the role because these were not quite clear. So best username last. So I say create template. I say forward thinking. So send a test message. So I say next. Click to save. Okay, save. So I say next. Now this is the so company. Do you want to exclude some companies? I don't want to. Keywords. Type the keyword and press enter. Yeah, so okay, middle. Then I said next. Chief Marketing Mumbai. This is what Moses.com said loop CV personal email ID and then start the loop. So once I say start the loop, it will now find positions, platforms, and filter by company. Let's see what it finds out. Hmm. Yeah, actually, I remember when I started out in job search way back, say around 20 years back. I went to a DTP operator, desktop printing person, who had information about how to use say Word. Because in my era, even computers were not there. I'm talking about something of say 2002 and 2000 when I had just a computer and I was using ready to use template. I just had to type it out, even with a lot of grammar errors. So I they say apply now, okay, apply on demand. I s- that's a tool. So cancel. Edit loop. I say I don't want to launch this. Mm, cancel. Yes. Do you want to verify? Yes. Delete. The file is connected to running loop. In order to delete it, delete the loop. Okay, so my loops, I need to delete the loop itself. Mhm. I'm going to delete loop. So loop is deleted. So job board, find new job, all the job board over here, my applications, wherever I've sent application, it's listed over here, questions. So there are no questions associated with your account at the moment. So matches, all the possible matches. So see, Satyam Developers, Navi Mumbai. So this platform is interconnected and works as an overlay platform on Naukri.com. Job posting is on Naukri.com. Hit to apply. So if I say hit to apply, Arushi you want to apply directly. So checking, I say delete. So this okay, I've deleted it. So the whole idea is the Kanban idea which they have. So create new loop and all these things overview. So three email templates, email sends, active loops, CVs added, applications. So create a new loop. Again, this loop gets created. I think for everybody, then there's one tool that we saw which is helpful for our resume creation. Another tool we saw for our LinkedIn. Now, this tool is where you start engaging with recruiters or with the founders, where you want to see yourself to that second league of position, like a senior position over there. And here it works on automatic fashion. You don't need to sit over there to work on daily basis. And last tool that I'm going to show you is the Copilot. I thought I showed you this particular tool to you last week, but sorry, I didn't show you. So today, now this is just an amazing tool. Yani, you will love it. So artificial intelligence model. This is 3.5. I say Moses Victor Gong, job title CHIPS Chief Marketing Officer. Company I'm applying to the So I'm I'm getting professional. Yes, in my journey. I don't need my journey. I have my this is there. Here I post the job description. Now let's post the job description. Uh, so job responsibility as a so so generate. Now it's going to generate your cover letter. This is pretty awesome. So cover letter co-pilot, it gives you like, let me just zoom it. So dear hiring manager, you change the name. I'm excited to apply for the role of Chief Marketing Officer at Thermo Fisher India Limited. With a solid background in marketing communications, I've successfully navigated various industries to understand client challenges and provide innovative solutions. Currently serving as a Marcom head at Docmore Technologies Limited, I have led and developed technological solutions aimed at enhancing doctor learning and practice. Managing a dynamic LinkedIn community with over 10,000 subscribers, I have also been instrumental in publishing the industry renowned monthly capsule. In addition to my rev, now imagine you just need to copy it, edit wherever it's necessary, and boom, you're done, man. I mean, what more you want? And say you go back again, you keep on changing. So if a company gives, so for example, we are over here, chief market officer leading firm. Now this is this job role I'll copy. I'll copy my resume details and my cover letter is done, man. You know, what is that more you are expecting? You cannot expect anything more. And imagine your job search journey becomes so simple. This will help you to just spend, say, half an hour a day with this particular set of tools. To spend half an hour to 1 hour per day in your job search journey, and I guarantee that you will end up getting at least 20 calls to go down and meet for the interview physical round. And if you can get 20 rounds now, I bet five offer letters are in your email inbox within 20 days. Use this strategy to crack your job. Next week, I'll meet again with more such tools that will elevate your game at AI for job search. I hope and this particular session was amazing with exploration of all the tools that we have in AI space for job search. As a job seeker, the most important part is how well your resume is, how well your cover letter is, and are there all the keywords? Because first is how do you get across via the ATS round and get a telephonic call from the HR? And for this, you need to use the AI tools. This don't think about using manually and forget all those things. With 200 or 1,000 bucks, you can you use all these AI tools, use a combination of tools, and get those 20 job opportunities and interview rounds. If you can get 20, your the work is done. Thanks for joining in today. Bye.